Hey, what's up guys? It's Flex and welcome back. So as you guys know, I have that 10-inch Android screen on my car that I got from DMP Car Design, and it's been a great, awesome screen. But recently, Mercedes just launched their MBUX system in their new cars, and it looks pretty cool, and there's a lot of cool features. I asked around and I found out that DMP Car Design actually has an update for my screen that will change the user interface to look like the brand new MBUX system. It's not going to have all the features like that system, but it's definitely going to enhance the look of the screen. So DMP Car Design supplied me with the link to the software for the update. I installed it on a USB drive, popped it into my screen, and it was pretty easy to update. So here's the process of updating the user interface on the Android screen. So I went online and downloaded the file from DMP Car Design, and I used WinRAR to open it up. So there's two files that I'm gonna need to extract to a USB drive. So I'm gonna plug in my USB thumb drive. Now I'm going to select the two files, right click, and extract it to the thumb drive. So this process is gonna take about 5 minutes. Once it's fully completed, I can exit out and I can remove my thumb drive and prepare to install it on my screen. So to update the screen's interface, the first thing I did was start my car to power on the screen. Now I'm going to grab the USB thumb drive with the new files and plug it into my USB port. Next, I'm going to grab a paper clip and I'm going to insert it into the top hole on the side of the screen. It's gonna feel like a little button. I'm just gonna push on it, hold it for a few seconds, let go. I'm gonna touch the screen a few times. See how it says detected? That's going to load and it's going to install the brand new interface. There you have it. That's the brand new UI for the screen, and it looks awesome. Functionality wise, everything stays the same. It's just the interface looks updated. All the standard icons are still here. So I can have it like this, or I can go to apps, then I can still get my clock on the side and the car view. And then all the apps are still here as well. I got my navigation, NTG mode, that's my original screen if I want to use the original screen. Video, music, Bluetooth phone, Bluetooth music, Apple CarPlay, all that stuff. I actually prefer this view because I have more on the screen versus this where you're limited to 5 at a time. And also it looked like it corrected my dash, which this is all now in miles. And this is in miles per hour, which is fantastic. I might be driving more with this just because it looks so cool. Wow, so that update makes the screen look really cool and really new. Unfortunately, like any brand new software on a smartphone or on a tablet or even on this screen, you're gonna run into a few issues. And that's just the growing pains with the version 1 of the software. But the cool thing is DMP Car Design is working with a software engineer to work on brand new updates that they're probably going to have available in the next few weeks. So there you have it. I hope you guys liked the video. If you do, hit like below. As always, make sure you subscribe, and I will see you next time.